Whenever one side gets trapped, that makes for a good trade. That happened today with the bulls. They got long here and got trapped. Let me break it down for you. As usual, we're going to start with yesterday's breakdown. Today's September 12th, 2023. Yesterday, bears had a push into support. The market put in a major trend reversal, and the market put in a minor reversal. We didn't hit new high, so it wasn't major. The bears sell into support, and the market tries to make a new high, but we fail by 1 point. It becomes a range day. Delete these. Today was a good bull trap. It led to 2 legs down. First bar of the day is, well, the market opens with a gap down, so immediately I'm reading this as a bear gap, a bear pole. Obviously it's a bear gap, but that's a bear bar. And preceding that is a bull bar. So this is already telling me the bears are not getting continuation right now. The first bar of the day is a bull bar. I suspect there are buyers below bar 1. Let me turn on the thing so we can talk about it. I just make it a neutral color because I don't like changing them back and forth. So buyers below bar 1. This will just be like zones. You guys know if it's a low zone, it's a buy zone. If it's a high, it's a sell zone. Buyers below bar 1. The market is trying to make an attempt up to get above the EMA. Bulls push up once. Bulls push up once, twice, and a third time and fail. Market rejects, creating a bear flag. Lower high triple top. Let me turn this ink red. 1, 2, 3, and the market breaks the double bottom. This becomes a breakout, but it's very weak. We can see a lot of buying pressure pick up by the bulls at new lows. So this is telling me that the bear trend is already weak. We can see the buying pressure within these wicks here. This is a credible bear flag, and it did lead to a, if we start this as the first leg, that is the pullback, and we do get a leg 1, leg 2. If you entered at the low of bar 10, you almost get a leg 1, leg 2. So limit order traders and stop order traders would make money here, shorting leg 1, leg 2. Wide stop. High probability trade, wide stop. This is a triangle breakout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pushes is a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That came out a little wrong. Did you guys see the pattern? Anyways, it doesn't really matter. This is breakout mode, and we break out to a new low of the day, but immediately bulls buy it. There's hardly any follow through at lows. Bars 18 to 24. I suspect there are more buyers. We are above a bigger time frame EMA. Oh, the EMA was below at the beginning of the day. It changed as the day went on. Bulls get a double bottom and make a major trend reversal. This is a major trend reversal because we reached a new high. Yesterday, the price did not reach a new high, so this is a minor trend reversal because we got a minor reversal, right? What makes it major? A new event. An event taking place could be a new high. That's what we got today. So that's what makes this candle is what makes this a major reversal, but we don't know it's major until it happens. So bulls put in a reversal double bottom. Lots of buying pressure through the whole day. So thus far, we can see wicks on every bar. There are buyers within the market. Something tells me this is not a good downtrend because we want bear candles to close like bar 10 all the way through, but immediately the bar 12 follow through. Bar 11. We want bear candles to close like bar 11, but immediately bar 12 follow through has wicks. This is a weak bear trend. This could be just, we have a spike in channel. This is the spike, and this is the channel. Spike down, the first bar is spike, and then the bear's channel. They get 3 pushes down. 1, 2, and 3, forming a wedge. A falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and this buying suggests that we can see bullish momentum, underlying bullish momentum within the selling. Falling wedge breaks out. Here's the range for the falling wedge. The market is in the limit order market. Bears are shorting big bull bars and bulls are buying big bear bars. Market breaks out, and we transition into a small pullback bull trend. We get leg one, leg two. We could do it from here to here and there, or you could take it from the bottom where they first made money and you get tagged. This is where bulls start to make money. This is a profit taking candle. It's a bear candle. We go down here to bar 21 to bar 34 is high. Put it at the top of bar 38 because that would be your entry bar. And we go for a leg two, and this was great. I rode this up and made most of my money on this leg today. I scaled in at lows, rode it up, and got out at this bar as we broke the high. And this is where the the bull trap comes in. This is what I was talking about at the beginning of the day that led to what I think the best trade of the day was. This was a bull trap. Here we can see the best bars are starting in the beginning of this trend. This is a great bull bar. Why did that? This is a great bull bar. These are great bull bars, but we're at the low of the day. So the context, the price position for these bars are different. We push up, and I don't sell out because this is a breakout trade into the EMA. Break, retest the EMA, and we push up for an exhaustion. This is the biggest candle late in a bull trend. We've already been trending for about 2 hours. Bars 22 to 48. So that's about a 2-hour trend, and this is huge at the end of a trend. Bulls close the gap and get a measured move from leg one, leg two. So there are a lot of reasons to hold and get out of this trade at the top of that candle. That's what I did. I got out as it was building. I was expecting like a collapse, but I got out as it was building. Okay, let me delete these lines. So this is a major trend reversal. Bulls make a new high, and I'm alert. I'm thinking, okay, this is not a good wick, but I want to see what the next candle is like. And the next candle was a bear candle. So now this is telling me this is setting up to be an exhaustion trade, a failed breakout exhaustion trade. The market is always in search of traders, market participants. So if there's no market participants down here, the market will move up and find some. It found some. It also trapped some. It trapped some sellers. It trapped some bulls, and it found sellers from these. These are all sell orders for yesterday. Bear gap. See right here? I don't want this chart to look messy like that, but yesterday's sell zone is something like that. And look at this wick. So even more confluence to get out. Maybe we say the sell zone is like this. Maybe it's like that. However you decide, whatever your sell zones look like. I don't play zones, but I'm aware sellers sell high, buyers buy low. This is bar 48 is an confirmation to me that this is an exhaustion. Bar 49 could be a trap. We have two inside bars after. This is a huge trend bar. One of my mentors calls this a mother bar, and there's a technique behind it, but I don't play it like that. This is still a mother bar because it has an inside bar. So this is outside bar, inside bar, inside bar, outside bar. Into resistance. An outside bar, an exhaustion, outside bar with an inside bar is a setup for an exhaustion, and I get short on the breakout here. But since bulls are selling out, we have CPI tomorrow, so I don't think the market is going to swing any positions. We have multiple reasons that this could be the last strong bull candle. We still have bull candles in form of pullbacks. Get short bar 50 and we write it down. Here's enough proof that this is a failed breakout because bar 51 has breached the low of bar 47. Bar 47 was the breakout point, and if bar 51 bounced, I would get out of my short and look for a double top or maybe like a slow drift up to here. But the bears broke bar 47's low with force. I think everyone's stop was there, and the market just sells. I caught this first leg and thought we were going to be range bound for the rest of the day because we went down, up, down. So I thought we would just oscillate and kind of fizzle out. So I am upset. I missed the play I was looking for was a leg one, leg two. I am trying to only focus on those. So here's leg one. Put it to pullback, and look at that. To the top of this pullback, to the bottom of bar 70, leg one, leg two worked. We see steady selling and no bulls are in the market. I got out off of feeling, not price action, so that's something I got to work on. Bears sell for the rest of the day until bar 70, and then bulls start taking profit, and then bulls snaps the EMA. Did bulls get trapped? Yeah, they definitely got trapped, and I think they dumped their positions. But for the strong bulls, let's see. So if they held their position by going long on top of bar 50, they're underwater right now. Unless they held. Where's the day at? Yeah, look. So they might so here we are again on the extended chart. Let me do this. Let me see if they get out. This is how we find out where people get out at break even, who's trapped. They never really got out at all. So bulls could be underwater or they have to sell out their position, and that's what causes a trend, is that one position can't cover themselves. You guys see a lot of my shorts where like I buy high, I buy low, or I get out higher. That opportunity never came today for whoever bought the top of bar 47. So they got trapped and the market sold off. We have multiple legs down. We have one leg, major leg, two major legs, or we can count it. Here's one leg because there's no bull bars, but there are minor pullbacks. There are a lot of minor pullbacks. See, this is a leg. That's a minor pullback, 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 and then the market goes into a range. You see all these legs, and then we make a new low of the day. Yeah, new low of the day this late in the day is not normal, so that's why I wasn't prepared to like actually hold this. I literally caught the high of the day, and I could have held, but I got out around bar 56 because the open is a good magnet on range days, and that's where we started to oscillate. So I thought that was a fair target, and I didn't go for a leg two because I didn't think it was going to happen, but that's what learning is. I'm trying to adopt this new strategy, so I have to really force myself to take these high probability set up wide stops. That's the whole point of it, and it works. There were great leg one, leg twos today. Let's go over them real quick. I got trapped in this consolidation thinking we're going to go up, but leg one to the top of the bull bar is met if you go short on bar 10 for the breakout. It's met if you can catch the high with a limit order. And I want to see if it gets met if we do this. Hold on. Okay, so this is tough, but this bar started here. I don't think I would have done this in the real trading day now that I'm catching it. So this bar starts here, and the market opened here, right? So if this was leg one, let me delete this and do it again. So if that's the full leg one, and bar one's the start of the pullback, and we put it to the top of bar 3, we do get the gap down measurement. So leg one, leg two worked again, but this was, I think, in my opinion, harder because of the range. I didn't catch this leg one, leg two. I was sloppy the first half of the first part of the day. Leg one, leg two works, opening trade. And then bulls make a double bottom, put in another leg. We can do a leg one, leg two for a breakout, and I think that took us to the top. Yeah. This one, leg two, put it at the bottom of the pullback, takes us to the top here. Then we can extend our leg one, leg two, because the market kept going in our favor. This looks like the first major pullback to me. So if we went from the low of bar 24 to the top of bar 34, the low of bar 23 to the high of bar 34, that also gets met. So again, that's two trades that would have kept us in the markets. Whether we catch the lows or miss it, we would catch the equivalent in points on bar 38. 13 points is a lot. And then the last trade of the day, this was the best trade of the day. It was the failed breakout by the bulls and a steady selling. And that was obviously met as well. Top of bar 48 to the low of bar 54. Top of bar pullback starts at the top of bar 57. And look at that. One tick past bar 70. Everybody got filled. All the shorts got filled on the way down. So today was like a really good day again for leg one, leg two perspective. I fumbled the bag a little bit, went on tilt. I recovered, so I'm not mad. I'm working on this new strategy. I used to trade it out the gates, and I can feel that spilling over. But I was able to recover with leg one, leg two structures and make a pretty penny. I cleared about $500 today. If you guys learned something, hit the follow button for more price action tips. Have a good day, everybody.